I found this thing on Facebook. It's in Port St. Lucie. It's like a classic car show type thing. I was 15 minutes away from the house, so I figured I'd come check it out. Seems like a good turnout too, so let's go check it out. Look at this beautiful Porsche. Look at this thing. We got some motorcycles over here. Now this is where these shirts come into play. The last time I did a couple of these events, I ended up with sunburn, so these shirts actually do work. Oh, look at this thing. We got a pretty good crowd out here, a mixture of cars. It's an older crowd, so you don't get none of that riffraff, which sometimes is exciting to hear some, you know, some engines revving and tires burning, but you kind of like disrupt the peace when you do that kind of stuff. So it's a nice color car right there. Look how beautiful this thing is. That's a nice car. Got nice oldies. You got some newer stuff also, like a couple Corvettes. You got two of these Dodge Prowlers hanging around, which is cool to see. I haven't seen one of these in a while. The Corvette, El Camino. Kind of infiltrated the older folks over here, so I'm prepping myself. At some point, I'm gonna have to hit one of these communities up, so they're getting to know me now. She asked him how much was the car. He told her it was 50 grand. He then got out and asked her, hey, can you give me a ride to the ice cream spot over there? And he jumped in her car and went for ice cream. The funniest thing, yo, seniors are hilarious. The things that they say and do, if you hang around them long enough, you'll see how funny they are. This car's got a 2011 SRT 8, 11,000 miles. He says he's got about 100 grand into it, and he's looking to get 50 grand for it. Phone number is there if you want to call it. You too, brother. Take care, bro. Let's get out of here. We had a good time. These older folks definitely know how to party. To see some cool cars, got to meet some really nice people. Again, you know, the older crowd never disappoints. They always make you laugh.